Thunbergia Erecta, commonly called bushclock vine, is a fast-growing shrub that produces these beautiful purple flowers. It is often planted in sunny or shaded locations, and it can be used as a border because you can easily groom it or shape it in whatever shape you desire in your garden. And it can be used as a hedge because of the privacy it provides. So if you're looking for a quick solution in this regard, Thunbergia is an excellent choice because the cuttings root very fast, especially when you put them in sand. But please bear in mind that it is high maintenance because it grows very fast like the rantas and require constant grooming or cutting in order to have it, in tip-top shape. And this is the reason why I'm not going to be converting the plant I have here into a topiary by adding any additional levels to it. I don't know how this plant came to be in this location, although I've been grooming it for a number of years. It is actually growing at the foot of my father's final resting place. I'm really happy I got the chance to do this little task today because the rain came early on Monday and I had to abort the work I was doing around this side. Daddy really loved this kind of work, and I think, as I've said before, I'm following in his footsteps. Tomorrow officially marks 14 years since his passing. He would have been 80 years old. He actually passed away on his birthday. Every year when it gets to the time, when he took sick and his death, I always pause and reflect on the uncertainty of life because we both left home for work in the community. On the morning of the day, he took sick. On his way home, he stopped at the location where I was working and told me that his work was cancelled for the day. I never knew his last words, "I am going home," as we parted company would eventually mean his departure from this life and entrance into the afterlife. When I returned home, hours later, we found him in an unconscious state, and he died 9 days later in the hospital. I'm really happy we never had any unsettled arguments in the days or weeks leading up to his illness and subsequent passing, or on the morning, because I would not have gotten the opportunity to resolve them when I got home. His illness and passing has really underscored how uncertain life is, and that is why we should live each day as if it is our last, living in peace and harmony with each other. The Bible says we should not let the sun go down on our wrath, but so many times we err. So this is something that we really need to think about.